Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So today I brought back the Redmi Note 11. I installed the latest operating system which just released like few days ago. This operating system named ClaskyOS, and this ROM is based on the HyperOS 3.0 something. Here are the details of my mobile phone, and you can see that the operating system version is 3.0.6. This ROM comes with the Android 16. Well, you know that the Redmi Note 11 is not going to get the Android 16 update. But if you want to update the Redmi Note 11, you need to unlock the bootloader and then you can flash the customize or portrait ROM. This ROM ported from the flagship Xiaomi mobile phone of the China variant for the Redmi Note 11. And this ROM can be flashed on the spes and on spesn both variants. A bunch of modification provided with this ROM. After flashing the ROM, if you come to here, you will see that there is a big list provided to modify the ROM. Well, if I tap on the home screen, well, this is the home screen, and definitely you will say that you never saw this home screen ever before with the stock ROM. Yes, after flashing the ROM, definitely you will say home screen is different comparing it with the stock ROM. Well, Mi Dialer is coming with the ROM. Call recording feature is provided with the dialer, and Mi SMS also there. About the camera application, except the portrait mode, rest all the modes are working. Try not to tap the portrait mode, otherwise the camera will start giving you an error every time you open it. Then you have to clear the data of the camera application to make the camera application to start working again. The front camera working and the rear camera both are working except the portrait mode. So this is the control center, and this is the latest control center coming with the HyperOS 3. And check out the animation of the control center. Two separate buttons provided on the control center. This is the power menu and this is to restart the launcher. And all the widgets are working properly with the ROM. Google Play Store is coming pre-default with this ROM. Unfortunately, the ROM is not device certified. If you want to make the device certified, you need to root the ROM and install the modules. By going to the home screen and scrolling all the way down, you will see here arrange items in recents. If you tap here, you can select vertically, horizontally, and stack style. I have selected this one, which make my device to show the recent app like this. It is looking good and beautiful, just the way like iOS. Well, this ROM is not rooted, so the banking application must be working, and those banking application may not work, which requires a lock bootloader. This is the custom ROM, and the bootloader will remain a lock as far you are using the custom ROM. Going to the personalization, tapping the AOD. After turning on the AOD, yes, we can select always, or we can schedule, and rest few options provided. Unfortunately, AOD actually not working properly. Well, you can see the screen light up, but the clock is not coming on the screen. Well, the fingerprint scanner is working properly and the face unlocking is also working fine. Tapping on the themes, I cannot see import option over here. Check out the status bar. The clock with the date is looking so beautiful on the status bar. Going in modification section, you can see that background clock chip. If you tap here, there are bunch of clock and date style provided. You can check it out by tapping each of it. Well, I have selected the style 4 and this one is much better for me on the status bar. By going to the display in brightness, we have to turn off the advanced texture to make the ROM to run smoothly, and refresh rate provided by default, it is selected default. In case if you want to change, then tap the custom and select 90 Hz if you like. So the animation will get smooth after selecting the 90 Hz. This ROM is providing the display resolution. Well, in case if you want Quad HD Plus, you can tap on it. Check out the resolution here. And yes, the AI image engine is also provided with the ROM. Check it out. I must say that there are different options provided with the ROM that are not coming with the stock ROM. If you are a flashaholic, if you are flashing different ROM on the mobile phone, then just flash this ROM, check the ROM in case if you like, keep it, otherwise you can flash any other ROM. Now if you want to know how to flash the ROM, then watch the further video. If you are getting help from my videos, do not forget to like the video. Do not forget to subscribe my channel also. If you haven't subscribed it yet, keep sharing it with others. Thank you. Before starting the flashing procedure, we have to do few things which are very important. Check the battery first. It must be charged. If the battery is below 30%, then charge the mobile phone battery. And your mobile phone bootloader must be unlocked. You need to save all the internal storage data because the data will get formatted. Must go to settings, then go to additional settings, then go to account sync. Sync your Google account once. Must remove it to avoid issues. Done. Go back, then go to fingerprint face data and turn off the screen lock. In case if you have logged in the Xiaomi account, must remove the Xiaomi account also. Well, if you have done these things, then simply power off the mobile phone. Always use a good quality of data cable and check the other side of the data cable must be connected with computer or laptop. Check the mobile phone must be totally power off. Boot the phone into fast boot mode. Press and hold the volume down key. Then connect the cable with the mobile phone. In few seconds, you will see a fast boot screen. Then release the volume down key immediately. Now it is time for me to go on the computer screen. Well, the flashing of the ROM is not that hard, very simple, and thanks to the developer who provide the method flashing the ROM via fast boot. Link provided in my video description. You need to download the ClaskyOS, the version you can see that, and after downloading, must extract the ROM in same folder, right? Well, I have extracted the ROM already, this one. Then open the extracted folder of the ROM and you will see files inside here. Well, I will go with the Windows Fast Boot first install with the data format because I want clean flashing, avoid issues later on, right? Well, check the mobile phone is connected. Yes, it is booted into fast boot mode. Yes, then simply on the computer screen, double click this file Windows Fast Boot first install with data format. Command window will open on the computer screen. Press Y on the keyboard, then press enter key. Well, now just wait here. Things will be done automatically. When the flashing gets completed, the command window will get closed automatically and the mobile phone will get reboot automatically. All we have to do is to keep eyes on the command window plus on the mobile phone screen. And also we have to wait here. Okay, done. Well, you can see that the command window got closed automatically, mobile phone got restarted. And when you see the Me logo, you can disconnect the data cable from the mobile phone. And I am done from the computer. We have to wait. The mobile phone will start booting to the Clasky OS very soon. So this is the first boot. It may take a time. First boot completed, didn't took that much time. So I will complete the setup screen. So language is provided here. Well, all said, procedure of flashing went very smooth. Now, there are a few things that we have to do according to the developer. After flashing, straight away to go to the settings, then go to the display and brightness and turn off the advanced textures. Then select refresh rate 90 Hz. Well, if you like to make the animation more smooth, then go back, then go to the home screen. Make sure to turn off the enhanced blur and then scroll down and select the animation speed fast. Okay, done. And now you will see that the ROM will run smoothly on your mobile phone. I will tap my device. Well, this is the ClaskyOS. If I tap details and specs, this here is the detail of my mobile phone. OS version you can see 3.0.6. Android version is 16. Thanks to the developer who ported this ROM for the Redmi Note 11. Do not forget to like the video. Thank you so much. Take a good care. I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.